What's going on, guys? It's Rick, Kaleb Lawn Care. We got the bid. If you remember the video where I done where we was going to do all the banks and do a leaf cleanup and cut some trees down, you know, if you remember that video, then you know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, we got the bid, and we're going to, and Kaleb and them's already over there, probably starting now, because they had a couple more to do this morning beforehand, and now I'm going over here to get with them. Hang with us, guys, and let's see what these boys get into today. We're out here, guys. They've already started. Danny boy's cutting with a chainsaw, and Larry's got his blade on his weed eater and cutting brush. And we're going to cut down through here. We're going to cut everything and let it lay down over in the branch here. We're going to cut all this right here. All this got to be cut. We're going to, any little trees or anything, not big trees. We're not going to cut like these big trees here, but any little trees that going to be like all this thicket and stuff, we're going to cut all of it down and clear it out. All this right here, probably won't cut this tree right here. You got to watch about cutting some of your trees, because if you do, you're going to cut what's holding these the bank in place. And we'll get over here and we'll cut all this over in here out too. All this over here, we'll cut around, and this right here is a straight drop off. So what we won't do here, we'll just reach down far as we can and get that cut out. Cut this right here, cut these vines out of this tree right here if we can, and just lay it down. And you can see the tree kind of up. Cut all this. Cut all this around through here all the way down. The thorns and stuff. Cut every bit of it. Anything but the trees over here, the big trees will not cut. We're just cutting the brush and stuff. And they started blowing some of the leaves out. You can see all these sticks over here where they blowed out of the wind. The winds blowed them over and on top of that building. But those trees right there around that building is the ones we're going to cut. But still got, they was here about an hour before I got here. They started blowing everything around, but it looks good. It looks good what they got going on, but we're going to have to go over it again. But we'll see what it looks like. Just hang with us there. I'll get you some footage of the boys working this. We still got to cut them right there down. Get that off that building where it fell off on it. This is what we got done so far on this cleanup. You got leaves still all the way over there, leaves right here. Kaleb and them been cutting everything out of the way. Cut this tree down right here. This broke off up there at the top. Beaver's been chewing on it. We're gonna get both 800s on it and blow it all off. Blow some leaves out. Kaleb's gonna go up here on the road, blow everything down this way. We got the biggest part of it cleaned up, you know. Looks good. Larry's blowing everything over the bank. I'll show you what we got over the bank here. We still got work to do, but we got the heavy stuff out of the way. We're gonna blow these banks off, get all the leaves off of them, and do it. And then cut these. We're gonna let them look at them trees or where they fell on that building before we cut anything off. We got a lot of, you can see we got a lot of this cut. Usually there's water running out of here. There's no water running and dry for a while. And these are two pipes here. Probably gas lines, I'd say. But we're gonna, like he ain't got it all, we'll get most of it cut down and laid over in there. And I'll show you up here what we gotta blow so you get to. We'll blow all this out, cut all that down. And he'll blow all this over in there, clean it up, make it look good. They've been on it about, right now, they got here about an hour before I did. It's 3:30 right now. 3.5 hours. This stuff right here, like this, we'll have to cut it on down, we'll throw it off. We'll blow it all over the hill, make it look good. But it looks a lot better. We just got a lot more cleaning to do. Just little stuff like around trees, around this right here. That was already fell in there, so we had to blow all that out there. I may upsell us stacking this wood, cutting that up, stacking this wood, start go maybe stacking between these two trees here. That way, or right here, over here in this little area right here, maybe do that. Stack it right in here. This would be a good little place for it. Stack it right here. Moving over from over there over to here. Clean that up good. And we'll get you see this stump here painted. So if it's covered up with leaves and stuff, you'll never see it with a lawnmower. I'm gonna try to get them to dig out around this and set it off below the ground. Got one up there too. Hey Daddy. See that right there? With painted. Can you dig around that and cut it off below the ground? And then do this over here the same way, just dig around it? Huh?
I can get it.
Okay.
Well, that looks good.
A lot better, don't it?
Got all these trees gone.
Yeah. And he may want some more cut when he gets here. He may want some of these cut out of the yard, you know, the little ones and stuff. We'll just wait and see.
That's okay.
He might want this one cut too. I don't know, I'm just saying. We're getting there. Can't get all that blowed off. And what we'll do, instead of blowing it all the way back out here, we'll blow it right on over to the creek bank there. We'll blow all this out, maybe blow it right over to this creek bank. That way we're not getting all this. We'll blow this out around the tree, and I can take a lawnmower and mulch that around it. And this right here too. I can mulch all of it out of there. So we'll get it looking good. Hang with us. Finally finished up this job down here. The boys are probably almost home. I've been down here, they just kept talking to me and talking to me. Couldn't get away from them. But anyway, they came down and they fixed us hot dogs, fed the boys, and they were tickled to death with it, and that's about all there are to it. I mean, they were just good people to work with and really enjoyed it. So whatever you do, if you don't care, if you like the video, you like our content that we put out, if you don't mind, just like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way every time we put a video out, you'll know it's coming. So we're gonna get off here and head on to the house. It's dark, and I hope this is turning out okay. So we'll talk to you later. Keep watching, and hope you enjoyed the ride. God bless.